Kajala Megalaya Hadok Shibaji Minski Junka Arpinyo Tarik Unailar Aja Arpo, Kaladan New Pasan would give you Thamayo COVID-19, but Arpasan would give Blackcoid no. Director ka DHS MI Dr. Amanwar Lapinte Benakini New Pasan would give you Thamai, Arpakandang would Kidena East Castle District, Hakababaro Arpakandang would Kidikiru Paidba. Iwe Riu Paidba na South Garo Hills District, Iwe Riu Paidba na North Garo Hills, Armur Kiriu Paidba na Southwest Garo Hills, Arpanyongur Kiriu Paidba na East Garo Hills, but Katsangut na West Garo Hills District, Kibakintu Yakatwengut na Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Soundwood Kiriu Paidba, Naginiki Arpasangut Kiblakot Mintangasngi, Soundwood Kiri na Armed Force but Paramilitary Force na East Khas Hills District, Iwe na West Giant Hills District, Soundwood na North Garo Hills, Armwood na South Garo Hills, Chipongwood na Riboy District, but Soundwood na West Garo Hills District. Dakajing yo thamai kini ki nyo pasangut barkajing konyo kini ki ar pasangut Kajala Megalaya hade bapinmi ekani ka khubor kadon 8000 hispa life hotali ki positive case 6000 aspa arpu artali ki active case praspa khandai tali ki recovered case barkhandai ngut ki blakhlat no Nakini ki 6000 aspa arpu artali tali ki active case ke East Khas Hills District kadon praspa saupnyo tali hagaba aspa prapulai ngut ki na ka armed force paramilitary force but sanspa anre pasangut Nakiriu Paidba, ka West Khas Hills District and South Palai Tali ki active case, Riboy District and Revopra, Hagaba Handremut Kirena ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but Revopra ngot Kiriu Paidba, ka West Giant Hills District and Artali ki active case, ka East Giant Hills District and Khadar, West Garo Hills District Shispa Prapinyo, Hagaba Shispa Khasagut Kirena ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, but New Palai ngot Kiriu Paidba, ka Southwest Garo Hills kadon Light League active case, ka South Garo Hills kadon Khatway, Hakaba Baro Khatway ngot kidena ka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, ka East Garo Hills District kadon Live Kandai Tali, but ka North Garo Hills kadon Shipho Tali ki active case.
Ki case ki bathamai ki bani yo hado mentaka sing ki long nyau fusan. But nakini ki nyau fusan na East Khas Hills ni yo Arf Kandai, South Garo Hills Iway, North Garo Hills Iway, Southwest Garo Hills are East Garo Hills Arfunyo, West Garo Hills Khatsan. But nakini Khatsan Khatway kidei naki armed forces paramilitary forces but sao kidei naki way ki case ki bathamai ki bangidan hado mentaka sing ki long 6000 aspa arpua praspa saupunyo kidan hapo East Khas Hills but nagini ki praspa saupunyo aspa frapulai kidei napo armed forces paramilitary forces sanspa andre pusau kidei na kiwe West Khas Hills South Pulai, Southwest Khas Hills Mdan, Riboy Nrefufra, Nrew Gidin Poki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Nrefu are Gidin Kiwe. West Giant Hills are East Giant Hills Khat are West Garo Hills Shispa Prapunyo, but Nagini Shispa Prapunyo, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Shispa Khatsao, Kiwe Nyopulai, Southwest Garo Hills Lai, South Garo Hills Khatway, but Nagini Khatway, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Kidei Baro Khatway, East Garo Hills Life Kundai, North Garo Hills Shipho, East Khas Hills Arf Kundai, Arfusan Kidei ki high risk contacts, Sao Kidei ki influenza like illnesses, then ILI cases, South Garo Hills Iway Naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, North Garo Hills Iway Naki random sampling, Southwest Garo Hills are random sampling, East Garo Hills Arfunyo Naki random sampling, West Garo Hills, Khatsan, Khatway ni armed forces, paramilitary forces, line ni random sampling, but iway ide I return. Kamakya compound Gamut Anjali, Nong Thamai, Molai Nong Kuar, Arvut, South Forlong, Jalupara, GS Road, Lower Moprem, Mauba, Barapathar, Barapathar nak kena cakap lum pernah. Laimer, Persilong, Krishnapur, Malki, Anjali, Nongse Madan, Oakland, Mauba, Lumauri, itu nak poin kasih.